What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives. First of all, Happy New Year to everyone. 2026 is here. And to start off the new year, I wanted to get a video on a cool car. So we're going for a drive in this 2025 Porsche Panamera. So this is actually the first time I'm getting a video on any Panamera. I realized I never made a video on one before, so it's cool how I'm getting a video on a new body style. I absolutely love this new Panamera. It's super nice. This one's like the basic model, just a Panamera, and has a chalk exterior, which looks amazing, but we'll go take a look at that in a second. You have like the beautiful Porsche steering wheel. You also have the clock, and you also have this. This has Sport Chrono package, which is a must for me in a Porsche. Normal, Sport, and Sport Plus modes in this car. You also have metal paddle shifters, which I love. You have the PDK 8-speed transmission, which is fantastic. There's your Sport Chrono clock, Apple CarPlay. Also have a 360 view camera in this vehicle. It's definitely better quality camera than a lot of Porsches. Porsches typically don't have good cameras, but this one has a much better camera. Let's look at the window sticker too. 2025 Panamera, 2.9 liter twin turbocharged V6 with 348 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque. Chalk exteriors at almost a $3,000 option. This one has a 21-inch Panamera exclusive design wheels, which is $3,820. And this one also has red seat belts, which I really like. And this has a $7,000 premium package with Bose surround system, Porsche InnoDrive, including adaptive lane keep assist, surround view with active parking support, ventilated seats front, rear heated seats, air quality system, and HD matrix design LED headlights. MSRP was $128,965, and this one can get 21 miles per gallon combined, which is pretty good. And you know, I'm excited to see all the new cars that are going to start coming out in 2026. I'm excited to get a lot of videos this year, and I appreciate all of you guys for watching my channel and supporting me in 2025 and 2026. Let's keep growing. Let's keep growing the channel and making as many car videos as possible. But yeah, so here are the red seat belts. They look really good. Sport seats. You also have the Porsche crest in the headrest, which is like an option on this. Here's your center console, and I really like the wireless charging tray placement over there. It's good. You can also close this if you don't want to see your phone once you put it in there. Same Porsche key that's been around for many years. But yeah, very simple interior. It's kind of hard not to understand how to use this interior. I like that. And this one has like, oh, Sport Plus, in Sport Plus, you look the response right there. That's cool. Let's walk around this Panamera and see what it looks like. Bose sound system. So there's your Panamera badge over there, and this chalk exterior looks fantastic. There are the HD matrix LED headlights. You have Continental Sport Contact 7 tires on this vehicle, black Porsche brake calipers, and that said, these wheels are like upgraded wheels. Rear seats look pretty good. You also have a screen in the back where you can control like your heated seats and everything like that, and your AC functions. This one also has quad outlet exhaust, which look really good. And here's your trunk. Pretty good space. You also have a little cover for your stuff. Let's get this Panamera out on the road and see how it drives. I just love this chalk exterior, and I like the black door handles too. This one's a really good spec. And I love the Porsche logo, so beautiful. I just love Porsche. You guys know it. Porsche and BMW are my favorite brands. Nice acceleration, quick transmission. Like this one is not like a GTS or even a 4S or anything like that, so it's not going to be all that fast. It has more than enough power for daily driving, but this is like the more basic model or entry-level model. So it's quick, but it's not going to be like blisteringly fast. But all Porsches drive amazing, so. And this one is no different. Very smooth acceleration. Even in the Sport Plus, everything feels great. I love these metal shift paddles. You can hear that with my nail hitting against, it's like high quality metal. PDK is just so awesome. This car is just so, this one is just so beautiful, and just like, this would just be such a pleasure to daily drive. Like this ride feels amazing. And the seats are nice and comfortable. The leather is a little bit on the harder material because these are sportier seats. They're not like cushy, but they still feel comfortable nonetheless. Steering feels fantastic. Suspension feels great. Everything feels really good, and that's no surprise. And again, as I mentioned, I love the design Porsche went with this new generation of the Panamera. It's beautiful. I love the giant headlights, and I love the rear light bar. And this one, as I mentioned, despite just being a Panamera, it has like the right color, the right wheels, and quad exhaust tips. That's a must for me. It has all the musts. It even has like the Sport Chrono package, which is a definite thing for me. The rear windows are a little small, so visibility is a little bit compromised there, but overall it's not bad. Yeah, this feels great to drive. On the steering wheel, I love these little bolts, and I love the leather feel. Stitching's beautiful too. And today I have my Tag Heuer Formula 1. Always a good mix, Tag Heuer and Porsche. Best combination. You have a lot of confidence behind the wheel in this thing. It just feels so stable. That's the best way to put it. It feels stable. It feels refined. It just feels great. Like you can feel when a car is well put together, and that's what this car feels like. That's how all Porsches feel like, to be honest. Porsche just knows what they're doing. And I'm just so impressed at how Sport Plus the car just feels so comfortable. so nice around the corners. Look how stable this thing is. That's so awesome. What a car. We have now returned to Grubbs Family Dealership, so that concludes the video. Overall, this 2025 Panamera is an awesome car. Absolutely love it. This one's a beautiful spec, and it is currently available at Grubbs Family Dealership. So if you're interested in this 2025 Panamera, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Thanks as always for watching Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And 2026 is here. Let's make some great videos, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video.